Hello there, this is Sam from China Shumatt. Today I'm in our company warehouse. I'm going to show you our control valve for FOORJ. Here it is. Take a look. This is our control valve. F00RJ00218. This is our Shumatt label. This is our Shumatt logo, and these details apply to injector 044510120003 and injector 044512000304. And this is barcode and this is QR code. And we use VCI anti-rust plastic bag. If you want your company logo, we also can customize. Now, let me open the box, see the valve clearly. Also, we use anti-rust paper to protect the control valve. Is valve assembly complete set. As you see, I can split it to two parts. This is valve cap. This is valve rod. It is very shiny and smooth. You can see the numbers in valve cap. We can sell separately. If you have any interest, please contact with us. If you want to know more about Shumatt, please focus on Sam Shumatt Facebook account. Thank you.